Continuing on opener 21. Again, solving these problems, trying to figure out what to factor and how to do it. It's kind of a puzzle, right? And so you're trying to decode the puzzle. So what factors do 10x cubed and negative 250x have in common, if any? Well, hopefully you recognize that 10 goes into both, and so does x. And so when I factor those out, I get x squared minus 25 equal to 0. Now, looking at something squared minus 25, which is a square, that's the difference of two squares. You might not remember that, but if you flip back to opener 10, scroll back to opener 10, 12, 11, 10, you remember, right, that we had this exact problem, x plus 5, x minus 5. Right, it was always the plus and the minus that gave me the difference, because when I added the middle term, remember when I add them together I get 0 in the middle, which means no x's. But when I multiply them I get my negative 25. So this is the same problem. In fact, it's exactly the same problem, but it's the same kind of problem if nothing else. I'm looking for the difference of two squares, and so you should start to recognize that this is just x plus 5, x minus 5. It is the plus of the square root of the perfect square and the minus of it. I, of course, keep my 10x equals 0, and I can, if you'd like, divide both sides by 10 right here, just to make that go away. And so now I solve this zero product property. So x must be 0 with the first one. With the second one, x must be negative 5, because when you set it equal to 0, x is negative 5. And this one, put ORs, is x is positive 5. So these are all your possible solutions. At this point, if you're struggling on zero product property, you should come in for extra help. You know, some of you did not struggle on doing it, but just recognizing that you should do it, and that's going to take just lots and lots and lots of practice that we've had some of up to this point, but perhaps you need more. So this is just factoring into difference of two squares.